Hello everybody, this is Nirja and welcome to Mahabharat Summaries. Sorry I was missing in action last week, but today I am back with a lot of stories from Mahabharat. In the last video, we heard the story of one of the ancestors of Kauravas called as Dushyant and his son Bharata. If you have missed this video, a link will pop up right now. You can click on it and watch it. Today we'll talk about one more ancestor of Kauravas who is a famous king called as Yayati. So the story starts with gods and demons. So there were a lot of battles and wars between the gods and demons, and assisting the gods was a sage called as Brihaspati, and assisting the demons was a sage called as Shukracharya. So Shukracharya had the secret knowledge of Sanjeevani, using which he could resurrect the dead. The gods were envious of this knowledge and they wanted it for themselves, and so they requested the eldest son of Brihaspati called Kacha to go to Shukracharya and obtain this knowledge from him. Kacha agreed and he went to Shukracharya, and he told Shukracharya that he wanted to become his disciple for 1,000 years, and he wanted to serve him and his daughter Devyani. Shukracharya welcomed Kacha with open arms, and Kacha started to serve Shukracharya and obtain knowledge from him. Devyani was very much pleased with the conduct of Kacha and she fell in love with him. Demons, on the other hand, were quite frightened that Kacha would succeed in obtaining the knowledge of Sanjeevani from Shukracharya and pass it on to the gods, and if that happens, God would be able to defeat the demons. So the demons made a plan to kill Kacha. So once Kacha had taken the cows to the forest for grazing, at that time the demons killed Kacha and cut him into 1,000 pieces of the size of a sesame seed and fed it to the wolves and the jackals. When Kacha did not come back with the cows, Devyani grew worried. She suspected that the demons had tried to kill Kacha, and so she asked her father Shukracharya to use Sanjeevani and bring back Kacha. Shukracharya used Sanjeevani and Kacha came back to life hale and hearty and came back to the hermitage of Shukracharya. The demons again made a plan to kill Kacha. This time they burnt his body, and the ash they mixed into wine and gave the wine to Shukracharya to drink. Shukracharya drank the wine, not suspecting that it had the ashes of his disciple Kacha. Again, when Kacha did not come back to the hermitage for a long time, Devyani was heartbroken and she again requested Shukracharya to use Sanjeevani. Shukracharya again recited Sanjeevani, and this brought Kacha back to life, but Kacha was inside Shukracharya. So from inside he called out to his teacher and told him what had happened. And Kacha said that if I come out through your stomach, I would have to kill you. Devyani was heartbroken, and she loved her father as well as Kacha, and she did not know what to do. So Shukracharya found a way out. He told Kacha that he would teach Kacha the knowledge of Sanjeevani while he was still inside his stomach. And when Kacha came out, the wound would kill Shukracharya, but Kacha could use Sanjeevani to revive him. So Kacha learned Sanjeevani while he was still inside Shukracharya, and then came out of Shukracharya from his stomach, and then revived his teacher using the art of Sanjeevani. So even after learning the art of Sanjeevani, he continued to serve Shukracharya for 1,000 years. And then when his period of tutelage was over, he started going back to the abode of gods. So that time Devyani stopped him and professed her love for him and asked him to take her as his wife. Kacha, however, politely declined and said that Devyani was the daughter of his teacher and it would be inappropriate for him to have such feelings for Devyani. Thus, having rejected Devyani, he went back to the abode of gods and shared his knowledge of Sanjeevani with them. So then how did Devyani end up with Yayati, who was the ancestor of the Kauravas? That I'll tell you all in the next video. So please subscribe to my channel. I'll soon come up with a new video telling the story of Devyani and Yayati. And I'll see you all very soon. Thank you. Bye and stay safe.